Welcome to our channel. If you need a personal loan for debt consolidation or major expenses, follow these step-by-step instructions to secure competitive financing. Step 1. Determine how much you need to borrow and establish a realistic repayment timeline based on your budget and financial goals. Step 2. Check your credit score using free services like Credit Karma or through your bank. Your score significantly impacts interest rates and approval odds. Step 3. Improve your credit if needed by paying down existing debts, correcting errors on your credit report, and ensuring all bills are paid on time. Step 4. Shop around and compare offers from multiple lenders, including banks, credit unions, and online lenders. Compare interest rates, fees, and repayment terms. Step 5. Gather required documentation including recent pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and identification documents that lenders typically request. Step 6. Pre-qualify with several lenders to see potential rates and terms without affecting your credit score through soft inquiries. Step 7. Submit a formal application to your chosen lender with all required documents. Be prepared for a hard credit inquiry that may temporarily lower your score. Step 8. Review and sign the loan agreement carefully, understanding all terms, fees, and repayment schedule before accepting the funds into your bank account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.